Today is a show.
Stand still, Anna.
Okay, Mom. I feel very nervous.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
The school feels alive. Students arrive and talk. Backstage is quiet. The stage waits.
I am alone here.
Are you ready?
I will try. I start slowly. My body moves. The music is soft.
I see you.
I feel better. I try again. I am sweating. I am smiling. I imagine clapping.
Keep going.
I will.
You can do this.
I believe now. She likes it. The show is close. 5 minutes left.
I am watching. I believe in you.
The lights go down. The curtain shakes.
Here I go. I stand center stage. The light is warm. Breathe in, breathe out. My hands shake.
I see you, Anna.
The music starts. I move slowly. The light feels safe. My dress shines. This is my story. I turn softly. My eyes close.
The audience is silent.
I stop. I move again. I feel strong. This is the end.
Deep silence. Clapping begins.
For me,
The clapping grows.
thank you. want to cry. I am proud.
Everyone cheers. The lights soften. The curtain closes.
I breathe out. I feel calm. I am still here.
Well done.
Thank you.
You earned this.
I am happy.
First prize, Anna. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I hold the prize.
You did it.
We did it.
I'm proud.
I know. My dress still shines. I laugh.
Let's go home.
Yes, Mom. I fold the dress. I put it away.
Good night.
Good night. I write today. Here. I turn off the light. I sleep well.
A new day starts.
I walk strong.
I'm here.
I know. This is my school. I lift my head. I keep walking.
Oh.